All right, welcome back. So this is part 2 of how to take any lesson and turn it into conversation with Talos Languages. So in the first video, if you haven't seen that, go back and watch that on the Tech for World Language Teachers YouTube channel. You can see how to create a lesson, how to create a class. I walked you through all of that. Now I'm going to show you how to create a role play that you can have your students talking. All right, so it's going to be very similar process. So we're going to go here and click on create role play, and we're going to choose what we want. We can do a un taxista en Madrid, Harry Potter, or a waiter. So I'm going to pick the waiter, and we're going to click continue, and we can say the waiter, what the waiter, the objective is. We're going to ask about the menu, so we're just going to click on that. So our students are going to ask about the menu. Now remember, you can do this in any language. I happen to be a Spanish teacher, so that's why this example is in Spanish, okay? So we're going to go to that, and now we're going to add some AI characteristics, what we want our AI character to be like. So because maybe you may have beginner students, you can use only basic vocabulary. Okay. We can add another, like speak only in whispers. I want my AI character to speak in normal voice. And you can add more characteristics if you want. So I'm going to continue. I can have it speak normal or slow. I'm going to pick normal. And now we're going to select the vocabulary. So this is going to be similar to what we did before. So again, I am using AI to help me save time. So I'm just going to take some of the basic vocabulary. Like at the restaurant, I'm going to do like this. And I'm just going to paste it. And then I'm going to add a couple basic questions that we can ask when we are interacting. So from our point of view, the customer. All right, and we're going to click continue. I'm going to choose a male voice. I'm going to say continue. We're going to assign this to our class. So I'm going to pick the start date. I'm going to pick today, and I'm going to pick the end date on the 27th, and we're going to assign the topic. And so it's doing that now, and in a few seconds, it's going to be ready for us to test it. So I'm going to test it to make sure everything's working properly before this is live for my students. So we'll go to reports, and we can say there. Now, once we have added our students to the class, you're going to be able to come here and see the reports and see how your students are doing with their language practice. All right, let's click test. We're going to test it out. Cross our fingers. Hope everything's going to work well. We're going to click the little thing. Okay, it looks like everything's looking good. We're going to start the call. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola, Hola, bienvenido al restaurante. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte hoy?
Quiero ver el menú, por favor.
Claro, aquí tienes el menú. Tenemos platos como pollo, pescado, carne, ensalada y sopa. También ofrecemos pan y postre. ¿Te gustaría ver algo en particular?
Quiero saber sobre los postres.
Bueno, claro, tenemos varios postres deliciosos. Por ejemplo, tenemos helado, pastel y fruta fresca. ¿Te gustaría probar alguno de estos?
All right, so I'm basically just asking about the, I'm talking to him in Spanish, and I'm asking he's telling me about the menu, and I'm asking about the dessert. So anyway, as you can see, you've got the conversation, the captions on the left. So for students, if they're having a hard time, with the AI, or maybe it's too fast, remember they can pick those slower voice. They also got the captions right there, and they've got the vocabulary right here, key questions, etc. So that's pretty much it. So that is Talos Language. Go check it out. Right now they're offering a free trial. I'm not sure how much the paid version is, but definitely go check it out. And if you want to learn more about how to get your students to speak in a target language, then go check out my course about how to get them talking in the target language. I covered the reasons they're not speaking in the target language. We talk about how to overcome those things. We talk about the strategies to get them speaking in the target language. We also talk about tools like the one I'm showing you, really cool tools that students really like to get them talking in the target language. So you can go check that out. You can purchase it individually, or you can actually join the All Access Club and get all of our courses, our current courses and future courses for only $67 a year. That is a current special only, so go check that out. And also, if you're not a member of our awesome Facebook group, the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group, come join us. It's totally free. I'm in there every day, and so are thousands of other teachers, so that if you have a question, you need ideas or want to share resources, your frustrations, anything, you can come join us. I'm in there every day. If I don't see your question, one of our awesome members will see it. All right, hope you found this useful, and I hope to see you in the community. Adios.